while now. Not for a while.
This guy.
We got running with the Urus low key.
Let's see.
That's a turbo
That Lambo's
already.
arrow is very flimsy. Yeah, it's weird. Well, that's Hamilton.
Small man in the evil confused.
There he is, the guy we were seeing right now. Ask him, Diggs.
Pull up on
You want to run it? Dig. You want to do a dig? Oh, dude, not with traffic. I don't want to. Let him pass. Everybody with us. I don't want to go too fast.
I get that.
Gotcha. Keep it safe, have fun, choose a place, you know. Yeah.
He's saying pretty much I'm too rich to race.
Right?
I got too much money, dog.
I mean, think about it though. If you have money, you can pay the ticket off.
Yeah.
He's just trying to be a responsible host.
Oh, if he's a host, oh hell no, he's not doing it.
Yeah, exactly. He's the host or one of the guys. That
Oh, he's afraid of Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man.
I like it.
That is
What's the 21s on the wall?
a 65, bro.
That thing. See, that's what I was like.
325s in the
Yeah,
rear.
I know.
Oh my god. Dude, the Viper had 355s.
It doesn't even look like it's that big for it either.
thing-
It just looked like they
It's
were.
got 360.
This thing's almost. It has a downpipe, right?
Yeah.
Dude, did you see the two Lambos in the lane over there? They're probably like, I'm following you guys now. Nice. That was the guy you asked to do the dig with. Oh, is it alright? Yeah, that's it. I think we have to get over. They're all getting over. Let's get behind the bike. Get behind them.
He already gave everybody else space. There you go.
Oh, this Tesla.
Tesla Rose. It was actually a very not rude merging.
Oh, this Tesla's bogus.
Ryan, remember this place with Aiden?
Yeah, no, remember that? They got it sold eventually, but that's what I was telling.
It was so sketchy. That's
what I was telling
Yo, that
Sharik
Ram trying to merge
and
it.
Jake. they had a trans and a cat come in it. And he was like, no, you can't scan it.
It was so funny.
Because he told us it was for EVA or something, yes.
Yeah, and it wasn't. There was like a bad cat. And
Yeah,
car
it was
issues. Now he's serving in the Middle East, so he doesn't even need one.
You got the half smile from the other person right there.
Dude, I love the brakes on this thing.
Dude, it
Yeah,
is.
they're hella good for a whole ass SUV.
For what it is. And they don't shake at all, which is good. Windows are like the only thing that make good now. That's like a wear item.
Are Willwood's good?
The brake calipers or the brakes
Well, yeah, the
themselves?
whole thing.
The Willwoods are about as good, I'd say, as Breville.
Oh,
Honestly, I think we're gonna go faster now because we have more traction. Oh shit.
What the?
I know.
Yeah. Did you hear this? I talked to him. You want to do a dig?
Loud. Do you want to do a dig?